Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies, and I am here today to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade pumpkin spice hand scrub. Now, our resident genius designer, Gina, has designed this super easy recipe that anyone can make. And so it has very few ingredients and it is really easy. So we're just going to run right through this and show you how great this would be for the fall holiday season. So you are going to need a half a cup of organic coconut sugar. You're going to need a half a cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of homemade vanilla extract, and just a 250 ml cream jar, or you can get a bunch of smaller 50 ml cream jars if you want to divide the recipe amongst a lot of different containers for gifts and whatnot. And then just a mixing bowl, and I recommend a fork, and you'll see why in just a moment. So, and we also are going to get to the essential oils here in just a second. But what you need to do first is take your half cup of coconut oil and put it inside of your mixing bowl. And once the coconut oil is inside your mixing bowl, what we're going to do next is we're going to add our favorite pure essential oils. And the reason we're going to do that now is because we want to make sure that the essential oils get properly diluted. So we're going to put the oils on the coconut oil and mix it around. And so for our pumpkin spice hand scrub, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil. Drop those right there on top of the coconut oil. Next, you're going to need 3 drops of orange essential oil. And then we also want to add in 2 drops of ginger essential oil. And last but not least, we're going to put in 1 drop of cassia. Now, the cinnamon and cassia essential oils are hot oils. And so if you have any cuts or scrapes on your hands, broken skin, we recommend omitting the hot essential oils. And what I would recommend in place of the cinnamon and cassia is use like a cinnamon spice or a pumpkin spice to add to your pumpkin spice hand scrub to make it smell delicious. And so once we have those essential oils on top of the coconut oil, we're going to just take a second and we're just going to mix those oils into the coconut oil. And once you've properly mixed your essential oils and coconut oil, we're going to add the remainder of the ingredients. So again, we have 1 teaspoon of homemade vanilla extract, a half a cup of granulated sugar, and we always recommend that you use organic, and a half a cup of organic coconut sugar. And that's going to give it a beautiful brown color, which is perfect for fall. And so once you've added the remaining ingredients, you're just going to take a moment. And again, this is why I use a fork. It helps break down the coconut oil. And you're just going to mix this until it is, all the ingredients are mixed together well. Now, it is going to be very coarse, and that's the whole point of the sugar rub. The whole point is to exfoliate your skin, remove the dry skin cells that are on your hands, and the coconut oil will help moisturize your skin, and then of course the essential oils and the vanilla help the pumpkin spice sugar scrub smell amazing. So once you get this all mixed together, we recommend that you put it in one of our 250 ml cream jars, or again you can use a whole bunch of the 50 ml glass clear cream jars if you want to use this for gifts. And as soon as I have this mixed up just a little bit more, I'm going to show you how great this is. So once it's mixed together, you're going to have this beautiful brown, coarse pumpkin spice hand scrub that you are going to want to keep by your kitchen sink all winter long to exfoliate your hands during these dry winter months. And so it is awesome. So again, just take a small bit of this, rub it around, scrub it on your hands, rinse your hands, and then just wash your hands, and you're going to see the difference when you use this pumpkin spice hand scrub from Got Oil Supplies. I appreciate everyone for watching our tutorial video. Until next time, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies. Have a great day.